Alright, so viewers, here's the last fan for today from Adam again. It's a 36-inch windward made by Tack. You can tell by the blades in the canopy, it looks the same. Go ahead and go real low. For a medium low. This is cool because I just see the third windward I have. One is a 4-blade metal blade, one is a 3-blade metal blade, and this is a 3-blade metal blade 36-inch. We actually have about 48 inch. So this is kind of cool, kind of windward. Probably needs to get air actually. Go ahead and do the medium. Alright. Very nice. Seems like that moves more than the Gulf Coast does. There's the wind airflow. Let's go here. Silent. There's the windward tag. Very nice fan, actually. Glad to have it in my collection. Let's go ahead and do spin down. I still have a few more fans I have to test I got from Adam. SMC Laguna, a Moss Tropical Breeze. I have 2 originals I have to test still. I have a Wyndham House Industrial Room box. I do have a Dayton Industrial, but I can't test it because he actually wants that back because he gave me the wrong one. So I'll leave that in the box and I'll take it back to him. Whenever I see him again, like he comes down here for some reason. Pretty good spin down now. And the label on top of it, you can't really see it's dirty. Thanks for watching.